Hey folks, welcome back once again. So in this video, I'm going to start limbing and bucking the 7 trees that I have. So it's going to be probably 3 stages. The first stage is going to be the limbing, and most of that I'm going to use my little 8-inch Milwaukee electric chainsaw. I'll use that for the limbing. So I'm going to go through the tree, limb it, and then haul off some of it to a burn pile, and then some of it to chipping. I've got a chipper, and I want to use some of these the limbs and whatever I can get out of the 2 softwoods, the 2 spruces or hemlocks, whatever they are. I want to use some of that on my blueberry bushes, so I'll chip it up for that. So it's going to be stage 1 is the limbing and hauling that away. Stage 2 is going to be the bucking, and then stage 3 will be bringing the rounds off and splitting them. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Well, I know I need your help to get that
Well, it's raining pretty hard now. I worked through it, got the job all done. So one tree is down and 6 more to go. So that's all cleaned up there. Just have to rake it up. Fix a little divot in the lawn right there where the branch came down. I'll get that tomorrow. So that job's all done. All right, folks. So that's enough exercise for me for one day. I'll get back at it tomorrow and start on tree number 2. So thanks for stopping by. If it's your first time here, thanks for visiting, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.